Hello, Smyrna families. Welcome to our summertime social studies. Today we will be reviewing civics. What is civics? Civics is the study of a person's rights and responsibilities in a community. The people who make up that community are called citizens. We are all citizens. Civics is also the study of how a government works. Citizens are people who live and work together to make their community better. They follow the rules and volunteer, respect property, help the environment, and are good neighbors. Some citizens have jobs in the community. Some are community leaders, and some help keep us safe, like our firefighters and police. We all have a responsibility to be good citizens. Responsibilities are the things we should do in our community. We can be responsible at school by doing our classwork. At home, we can do chores. In our neighborhood or town, we can show respect to everyone, no matter what their culture is. We should always obey the laws. Then, when we are older, being responsible means paying taxes and voting. Civics is also the study of how governments work. A government is something that makes the laws and ensures that all people are treated fairly by those laws. Our country has three levels of government. The first level is the federal level, which is our entire country, the United States. The second level is the state level. Our state is Delaware. And our third level is our local government. And for most of us, that is Smyrna, or it can be Clayton, Kenton, or Dover. We also have three branches of government that check on each other and divide up the power so no one branch has too much power. These three branches are at every level of government too. There is a legislative branch that makes the laws, and that is where our Congress works. There is an executive branch that signs and vetoes the laws, and that includes our president and his or her cabinet. There is the judicial branch that decides if our laws are constitutional, which is where our Supreme Court works. Laws are rules that tell you how to behave. We follow rules at home and our classroom, but as good citizens of our towns, state, and country, we must obey the laws every day. Laws make sure people are treated fairly and protect people's rights. There are laws against stealing and littering. There are laws about wearing bike helmets when riding a bike, and seatbelts and car seats for the car. There are also traffic laws that help keep us safe when we drive and travel. While our laws keep us safe, we also have rights. A right is a freedom that is protected. In the United States, we have many rights. The Bill of Rights is our first set of rights in our country, and it is part of the Constitution of the United States. For example, the Bill of Rights includes the First Amendment, in which it states that everyone in the United States has the right to assembly, which means that we can gather and meet. It also gives us the right to protest. We have freedom of speech and freedom of press, which means we can spread information and our ideas. We have the right to practice different religions. And Amendment 9 states our rights are protected by the government. Citizens have rights and responsibilities, and our government is structured in a way to help all citizens. Now that we have reviewed civics, there are three different activities that follow based on your grade level. It is a red packet marked civics in the yellow folder in your bag. Kindergarten and first graders, you are choosing cards to determine if it is a good or bad citizen. Grades 2 and 3, your job is to learn more about the branches and levels of government. And if you're a 4th through 6th grader, you'll be reading examples of the first 10 amendments and choosing which amendment it belongs to. Thank you for reviewing civics this week. Have fun! Good luck.